Have you ever stopped to wonder, really wonder, what happens to your money when you deposit it with a financial institution that isn't a traditional bank? We live in an era of fintech innovation, where companies like Wealthsimple offer sleek, user-friendly platforms for managing our finances. They promise high-interest savings, seamless investing, and convenient spending, often without the cumbersome fees and bureaucracy associated with old-school banks. It's a compelling proposition, right? You get better rates, a smoother experience, and all your financial needs seemingly met in one digital hub. But here's the crucial question, the one that should keep any financially savvy individual up at night, or at least prompt a quick search: is your hard-earned money safe? Specifically, if you're using Wealthsimple Cash, is it FDIC insured in the United States or CDIC insured in Canada? This isn't just about some abstract financial regulation. This is about the very foundation of your financial security. Imagine a worst-case scenario. What if the financial institution holding your money goes belly up? What safeguards are in place to ensure your savings don't vanish into thin air? This is where deposit insurance comes into play, providing a critical safety net that many of us take for granted or perhaps don't fully understand. For decades, traditional banks have offered the comfort of knowing your deposits are protected by federal agencies. In the United States, that's the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC. In Canada, it's the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, or CDIC. These government-backed entities exist to protect depositors in the unlikely event of a bank failure. It's a powerful promise: if your bank goes under, you'll get your money back, up to a certain limit. But Wealthsimple Cash, while offering bank-like services, isn't a bank in the traditional sense. This distinction is absolutely critical when it comes to understanding how your funds are protected. Many new financial technology companies, or fintechs, operate differently. They might partner with established banks, use trust structures, or have their own unique approaches to managing customer funds. This can lead to confusion and, more importantly, a potential gap in your understanding of your own financial security. So, let's dive deep into the world of Wealthsimple Cash and its deposit insurance. We'll break down how Wealthsimple operates, what FDIC and CDIC insurance actually cover, and, most importantly, provide a clear answer to whether your money with Wealthsimple Cash is indeed protected. Understanding these details isn't just about satisfying a curious mind, it's about empowering yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions about where you keep your money and how you manage your financial future. First, let's establish some foundational knowledge about deposit insurance. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, is an independent agency of the United States government that protects the funds depositors place in FDIC-insured banks and savings associations. The standard insurance amount is $250,000 per depositor, per FDIC-insured bank, for each account ownership category. This means if you have a checking account, a savings account, and a CD at the same FDIC-insured bank, and they are all in your name, they are combined and insured up to a total of $250,000. If you have a joint account with another person, that account is insured separately, also up to $250,000 per co-owner. The FDIC's primary role is to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system by ensuring deposits and examining and supervising financial institutions for safety and soundness. Since its inception in 1933, no depositor has lost a penny of FDIC-insured funds. This track record is a testament to the strength and reliability of the system. Now, let's turn our attention to Canada and the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, or CDIC. Similar to the FDIC, the CDIC is a federal crown corporation that protects eligible deposits made with its member financial institutions. The CDIC insures eligible deposits separately up to $100,000 per depositor per CDIC member institution, for each of DIC's insurance categories. So, if you have a savings account and a checking account at the same CDIC-insured bank, those deposits are combined and insured up to a total of $100,000. It's important to note that eligible deposits include things like savings and checking accounts, GICs, and other term deposits. However, mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies are generally not covered by CDIC. The DIC's mission is to contribute to the stability of the Canadian financial system by providing deposit insurance and promoting sound business practices. So, with that understanding of FDIC and CDIC, where does Wealthsimple Cash fit in? This is where things get interesting and a bit nuanced. Wealthsimple, fundamentally, is not a bank. It is a financial technology company that offers various services, including investing, trading, and, importantly for our discussion, cash management. Because Wealthsimple itself is not a federally regulated bank in either the US or Canada, it cannot directly offer FDIC or CDIC insurance. However, this does not mean your money is unprotected. Wealthsimple operates by partnering with regulated financial institutions. This is a common practice among fintech companies. They leverage the established banking infrastructure to offer their services while providing their own user-friendly interface and unique features. Let's focus on Wealthsimple Cash in Canada, as this is where Wealthsimple primarily operates its cash management services. Wealthsimple recently renamed Wealthsimple Cash to Wealthsimple Checking, and they've significantly enhanced its features. The funds you deposit into your Wealthsimple checking account are not held directly by Wealthsimple. Instead, Wealthsimple places these funds in trust with one or multiple CDIC member institutions. This is a crucial distinction. Here's how it works. When you deposit money into your Wealthsimple checking account, Wealthsimple acts as an intermediary. They then take your funds and deposit them into accounts at various CDIC insured banks. Because these underlying banks are CDIC members, your deposits, even though held via Wealthsimple, are eligible for CDIC protection. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.